Now let's say you have 100 employees and your company is growing rapidly. Of course, all of them are gonna need brand new laptops to make them work efficiently. And then you find a good deal at just $1,200 per laptop. That's still gonna cost you $120,000. And then you have to take into consideration the cost of deployment, the cost of support and maintenance, the cost of replacing your hardware after the warranty ends in 2 to 3 years, and of course, the opportunity cost during downtime. Add all these up and it will cost you an extra 30 to 50% more from your initial investment. Now that doesn't sound like a good deal anymore, right? Now here's a better deal. DaaS by ASUS is a subscription service that offers complete IT hardware and software solution. For as low as $33.28 per month, you not only get a brand new ASUS laptop, you also get free help to configure and deploy your rented equipment. Free on-site hardware support. Upgrade to brand new IT equipment every 2 to 3 years. Flexibility to scale up or down where you only have to pay for what you need. Increase productivity with the latest innovative hardware and software solutions by ASUS. Pass the frustration and large expenses to ASUS and let them manage a full IT support team. Free cloud-based solutions to enhance mobility for your employees. And best of all, at the end of your lease, you can be assured that ASUS will erase all your data from your equipment and dispose of it safely. Investing in IT equipment can be very costly, especially if you have a big team and you want to be extra careful in this ever-changing and challenging business landscape. What you need is to channel your resources and your spending into growing your business. And that is why a subscription service like DaaS is perfect for companies of all stages and sizes. ASUS DaaS, a complete IT hardware and services solution service that is flexible and will help you maximize your investment.